Hello, my dear students, and welcome back. Your exams are just around the corner, so today we are going to do a super quick and fun revision on a topic that is just so lovely, how plants and animals are the best of friends. They're totally inseparable, and understanding this is key for your exams. Chalo, let's begin. Just look at this beautiful picture. It tells the whole story, doesn't it? Wherever you see lots of plants, you will always find animals living there too, all happy together. Today we're going to explore exactly how they depend on each other. This is a super important topic, so pay close attention. So first things first, let's talk about the #1 way plants help animals. They give them a place to live. You can think of plants, especially big trees, as nature's very own apartment buildings. This idea is so perfect, right? A single big tree is like a huge building with many flats. For some animals, it's a safe home. For others, it's the perfect hiding spot. And for many, it's even a playground. It's everything all in one. And just look here. See this owl? It has found such a cozy little hollow to rest in. And next to it, the squirrels are using a similar spot as a safe house to raise their babies. In the jungle, you see, trees are the most valuable real estate. But it's not just about finding a ready-made home. Oh no, animals are amazing builders. Look at this clever tailor bird stitching leaves together like a real tailor. And the crow using twigs to build a strong, sturdy nest. And where do they get all their building material from? The plants, of course. And listen, this isn't just for small birds and squirrels. Even the big guys need plants. See this leopard? It's using that strong branch as the perfect place to rest and keep an eye on everything. So the main thing to remember is plants give shelter to animals of all sizes, big and small. Okay, so plants give animals a place to live. That's a big one. But what else? Well, let's talk about my favorite topic, food. Plants are like a giant free kitchen for everyone in the animal world, a huge buffet. Let's look at some quick examples. First up, yummy fruits. Animals like this monkey just love eating the sweet, tasty fruits that grow on plants. It gives them so much energy. And it's not just the fruit. Even the beautiful flowers provide food. Sunbirds and butterflies, you see, they drink the sweet nectar from inside the flower. It's like their very own energy drink, you know? And this is true everywhere, even in the toughest places, like a desert. Where there's not much food, camels get all their energy from munching on the leaves of plants. So you see, plants are literally lifesavers. And we can't forget the little ones. For this tiny caterpillar, a single leaf is like a giant feast. So the takeaway is simple. From the biggest elephant to the smallest insect, almost every animal depends on plants for their food. Okay, so we've looked up at the branches and leaves. Now let's look down. Let's explore the secret world that is right under our feet, the world of soil. It's more interesting than you think. So what exactly is soil? Well, it's the top layer of the earth, and it's not just dirt. It's a special mix of 3 things: tiny broken rocks, old parts of plants like leaves and roots, and lots of living and dead creatures. Arre wow, look at that. The soil is actually buzzing with life. It's like a busy city down there. You have earthworms digging tunnels, ants marching around, beetles, so many creatures live there. Soil is a living world. Okay, Beta, we've learned so much. Now it's exam time. Let's do a quick question and answer power-up so you'll be all ready for your test. You know all the answers already, I promise. First question. Give 2 ways animals use plants for shelter. Think about what we just saw. The birds, the squirrels. I'll give you a second to think. Did you get it? Of course you did. Birds build nests with twigs. Squirrels and owls live in those cozy hollows in trees. Even big animals like leopards rest on branches. And tiny insects hide under leaves. Any 2 of these would be a perfect answer. All right, next question. This one is very easy. I know you remember it. What is soil made of? Simple, no? Think about it for a second. And the answer is a mix of 3 things: tiny pieces of rock, old plant parts like leaves and roots, and living and dead animals like all those insects. Simple. See? You know it all. So you see, Beta, it all comes down to this. From the highest, coldest mountain to the park right next to your house, Plants and animals are a team. They need each other to survive. They are true best friends. So here is a little homework for you. Next time you see a plant, maybe a tree in a park, or even a small pot on your balcony, look closely. What animal best friend will you try to find? A little ant? A butterfly? Maybe a bird? Keep looking. All the best for your exams, my dear.